What's up, everyone? This is Steve from Supermods Tech, and today I'm going to show you guys a little trick here. Used to be something that gives me a hard time. I'm working on a MacBook Pro and I'm reinstalling the operating system. So what used to happen is when I try to install an older operating system on a machine that's been updated, the problem I was getting is that it would keep saying, I get a pop-up message saying that my installation disk is corrupted, or something's not right, or it doesn't work, or my packages are missing, or some stupid message like that. So upon learning, there's some issue where the BIOS is the problem. The date in the BIOS is actually wrong. So what I usually do is I will back the BIOS up to a date where that operating system was just released, and after that the installation will just go through nice and smooth. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today, how to fix that problem. If you come across this problem, it's not your USB device, it is the BIOS in the machine. So I'm going to show you guys how to change the BIOS inside the inside terminal, and this will fix that problem completely. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right now you see I already booted into my operating system. So I'll go ahead and click enter. And what the first thing we want to do is, before we even update this operating system, is we're going to go ahead and go in terminal. We'll click the terminal. And the command we're going to type in is date space -u space, and there's a little format that we have to type it in. So I'm installing Mojave. Mojave came out September 2018, I believe, right? So what I'll do is I'll type 09, that's for September. 09, doesn't matter any day, you can put any day, right? So I put the 9th, whatever. And then the next thing you're gonna put is the time. So the time, we're just gonna put 1200. And after 1200, we put the year, which is just 18. You don't have to put 2018, just put 18. Hit enter. And now, as you can see, your date has changed and the computer is now backed up to 2018. So we'll go ahead and quit terminal. Now that terminal is quit, the next thing we want to do here is go ahead and disk utility, and we want to format our drive before we install the new OS. So as you can see, we have data here, HDD data. We're going to erase that, and we're going to put Mac HD, not DH, HD. Going to erase, and erase that drive, and then we're going to go ahead and erase the other drive so that the hard drive is completely cleaned. All right, that's done. And we're going to go ahead and erase this as well. Mac HD, erase. Now I'm going to change the view here so that I could have all devices. Now, as you can see, because of the new format that they use, the APFS, it kind of breaks down the drive into two pieces. So maybe this device had Catalina or something on it, because I know this Catalina does this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the main SSD, and I'm going to erase, and I'm going to put Mac HD, and we're going to format everything and join all the partitions into one. So now, as you can see, it's one partition, Mac HD. And now we should be ready to go ahead and install our software. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to click that. I'm going to get out of this menu. We're going to click continue, continue. And now we're going to go ahead and install on our Mac HD. Now, it says 13 minutes. It might, sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it takes a little while, depends. But after you do this, everything is all said and done. You should have no problems. By now you would get a message that your installation disk is corrupt, and we're not getting any of these type of messages, so everything seems to be fine. So I'll wait till it goes to the home screen, and then we will take it from there. Just a quick note, if you guys need a repair or in the New York area, you can reach out to us. The number's right there on the top on the screen. If you want to do a mail-in, that's fine. We do mail-in repairs as well. We do motherboard repairs for the Macs. We also, you know, do phone screens and stuff like that, phone repairs. So if you guys are in need of a repair, hit us up, Supermods Tech. You can hit us up on our website, supermodstech.net. Otherwise, if you need any help, you could always feel free to give us a call. Hit us up a message in the chat box if you need help. And That's it. Okay guys, so now you can see it's actually rebooting back into the OS. The installation has went pretty smoothly. Did take a little time. Sometimes it goes quick, so like I said, sometimes it takes a while. That's why I speeded up the process. But as you guys can see, everything is coming back. It's loading up. It's gonna go to the home screen and we should be all set to go. So yes, so everything is all set here. Waiting for us. So now as you can see, it's on the home screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. We're at 500 and something subscribers. I thank you guys all for all your support, and I'm hoping to go further in this business. So please don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Please like our videos. Comment if you have any questions. Let us know. We'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And I'm out.